guys, I'm Sushmita from Miss Pink Shoes and welcome to the last day in my Cannes series. I can't believe I got this done, especially with my exams coming up. So my exams are starting tomorrow, and to do all of this with all of my exam stuff, it was really difficult, but still I'm so happy that I got it done. So today's video is this look inspired by Sonam Kapoor. So she sported this in one of her red carpet appearances and I absolutely loved this look, mainly because it had so much pink and rose gold and I love those colors. So yes, I tried using as many drugstore products as I possibly could, and all the products that I've used especially for the eye makeup are easily available in India. So yes, if you want to know how to get this look, then please keep on watching. So the first step is going to be priming, and today I'm going to be using the Nivea Men's Post Shave Balm as my primer. So I don't know why my skin is feeling super irritated this morning, like it has this weird pulling sensation and itching sensation. So I'm using this because this really cools down your skin. So on days where your skin is not feeling amazing, you can give a shot of this primer because it will really soothe your skin. For my foundation, I'm going to be using the Dior Nude Skin Glowing Makeup, dotting this all over my face and my neck. And now with my brush, I'm just going to start blending this out. To bake my under eyes, I'm going to be using the Ben Nye Luxury Banana Powder. So I'm using my beauty blender for this. I'm also taking it onto my lid just to set it in. And while this sits, I'm going to contour and highlight the rest of my face. So for that, I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution Duo Face Sculpt. So first taking the contour onto my cheekbones. I'm going for a very minimal contour, guys, because actually Sonam did not have a contour, but she has really nice cheekbones. So I'm going to contour just a little. Now picking out the highlight color, taking it first to my forehead, then the bridge of my nose, cupid's bow and chin. I'm also taking it below my contour to sharpen it a little. I've taken some of that setting powder and I'm just taking it over the other areas where I haven't applied either my contour or my highlight to just set it in. I'm going in with a really small amount, guys. And now I'm just gonna dust off the bake. For blush, I'm going to be taking my Savannah Colors Ultra Blush Palette. So Sonam had a really pretty pink blush going on. So for that, I'm going to be picking out this color right here. And in circular motions, I'm just going to swirl it onto my cheeks. If you notice, I'm taking my blush a little high up because that's how Sonam's blush was. It was kind of like a part of her contour. To highlight, I'm going to be using my favorite Mary Luminizer, taking it to my cheekbones, above my nose, cupid's bow. Base all set, doing those brows with the Freedom Eyebrow Pomade. Again, for this look, Sonam had really well-defined brows and bold brows, so that's exactly what I'm going for today. To start out with my eye makeup, I'm going to be taking my Maybelline Nudes palette. First, I'm going to pick up this brown color right here for my crease. And I'm actually going to be making a new crease high up because Sonam had a really high crease. So this is where I'm going to be taking my transition color today. Now I'm going to take the brown color again and mix it with a tad bit of black to make it a little darker. And I'm going to roughly draw out a crease. This is not going to be very neat. It doesn't have to be. So this is just to define the new crease a little. And now with the same brush that I used before, I'm just going to blend the darker and the lighter brown out. For my lid, I'm going to be using the Mesmerize Makeup Pigment in the shade Flirtatious. So I'm going to take my LA Girl Pro Makeup Fixing Spray and spray it onto this brush. And I'm going to take the pigment with this wet brush. Now I'm just placing this all over my lid. Now I'm going to take my Maybelline Nudes palette and pick up this gold color with the same brush. So I'm just going over Flirtatious with that gold color because Sonam had a really obvious gold tint onto her lids. So yes, to get that, I'm going over with gold over this. So now in her eye makeup, she had like a pink line onto the crease where the rose gold gets over and the transition starts. So for that, I'm going to be using my Maybelline Blush Nudes palette. And from this palette, I'm going to be mixing these two colors to get that color. And I'm carefully making a line as thin as possible. Now again on my waterline, I'm going to take in the same color but only halfway there. And now I'm going to take my highlighter which I used on my face and I'm going to apply it to the beginning bit because she had a really popping, bright color there. For eyeliner, I'm going to be using the Lakme Absolute Shine line and I'm just going to make a thin line onto my lid. And now I'm going to take the Nykaa I Am Black Kajal and what I'm going to do is just apply on the outer end to make it a tad bit darker. And with the brush that I applied that pink color with, I'm just going to blend it with the pink. So for mascara, I'm going to be using this one by PAC. It's their Big Eyes Magical Mascara. So one side of it has the mascara for the upper lashes. So first I'm using that. And now coming to the other end of the mascara, this is super interesting. It has this really tiny wand which is for the lower lashes. I'm going to take my highlighter with this brush and I'm going to place it below my brow bone to highlight it. And Sonam had a pretty obvious brow bone highlight going on, so that's what I'm doing. Now coming to the lips, I'm first taking the Lakme 95 Lip and Cheek Tint in the shade Blush Velvet as my base. And then going over top with this gloss from Chanel. I honestly can't pronounce the name, guys, but it's in the shade 71. I'll leave the name somewhere on the screen. So with that, I complete this video and this series. I really hope you guys liked it. And if you did, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, the link is down below. You can also follow me on my Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat and Twitter. All the links are given in the bottom bar. And I'll see you soon in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.